Good morning. I'm taping this in my house, and it's early morning, and my cats tend to be very active, so if you see them run across the keyboard or meow or scratch the furniture, please don't be alarmed. Okay, this module is on human motivation. It summarizes some of the major principles and theories of motivation. I teach an undergraduate class on motivation, and so I draw heavily on the material presentations from that course here. Initially, I videotaped an hour and 45-minute lecture that I was going to post, but the movie was just too large, too many megabytes, couldn't fit it on Blackboard, and couldn't find a hosting site to stream it. And then I also thought that that probably would not be fair to you to make you sit and listen to an hour and 45-minute lecture. So what I've done instead is to divide it into 3 different files. Okay, I'm going to post a PowerPoint presentation that will cover the first 3 sections of this module. I've included in there my notes that I might use for the lecture, so please look at the note pages of the PowerPoint presentation as well. Sections 4 and sections 5 will be in separate presentations / videos. Okay, so here are the 5 sections that we'll be discussing here. First, we'll ask questions of, first I'll define what motivation is and present it as questions of, answering questions of why we do the things that we do. In the second section, I'll review basic human drives and needs, again looking at what is it that we want as humans and why. The third section, we'll look at the power of incentives and basically get at the principle that to change behavior, you often have to change the incentives. Section 4, however, will look at the dangers of using incentives and that why sometimes incentives backfire. They don't always work the way that we want them to. And Section 5 will look at self-control, issues of why it's so hard to resist temptation. Okay, so again, read through the PowerPoint presentation for sections 1, 2, and 3. I will be posting separate presentations and videos for sections 4 and 5. Enjoy.